Hello friends, welcome to LaTeX tutorial, and today we are going to see LaTeX in action, how to write a research paper in LaTeX. The text and other data for research paper comes from your research. Here, for demonstration purpose, I am going to use package blind text to get automated text. The figures I am going to use are plots plotted using simulated data. Here, I will show you implementation of the code in Text Studio, Overlip LaTeX editor, and for Android phone using WebTech app. Research papers, original research articles which publish the results of a research firsthand, follow a standard structure so that people find it easy to follow. That structure is title, which has author names, author affiliation, correspondence address. After that, abstract followed by introduction, materials and methods, results, discussion. Sometimes result and discussion both are together. And the last part is the reference list. The general format is tweaked more or less by individual journals. Each journal has its own style specifications. The font size, figure placements, bibliography style, arrangement of general components like introduction, material methods, etc. The styles are described in instructions to author sanction, which are available on journal website and print copy of the journal also. Reputed and established journals have their own LaTeX templates, which can be downloaded from the journal site or from overlip.com, amongst other sources. Apart from these standard components, elements of text shall also be considered. These are section headings, figures, tables, reference styles, lists, etc. And as promised by LaTeX, it gives you macros to automatically format these elements. Before going to the code for research article, we'll get the bibliography necessary. To get bibliography, go to the PubMed Central, PubMed, select the advanced. In advanced, create a query. Here I will create a query rhizobium and add, in rhizobium I will add Sisor. Sisor is for chickpea, and I will click this, go for search. Research articles are there, 91 research are there, and I will copy this query, paste that query into TextMed service. That TextMed service is this one, bioinformatics.org TextMed. This is for exporting the articles as BIB file. Here I will paste that query and query it. 15 references are there. I will select all those and will export, and will copy these references. These are called as bib entries. I will not go into detail. I will go to this one and I will get a new file, and in that new file I will paste these bib entries, all the bib entries, and will save that file as ref.bib, and I am saving this ref.bib file in a directory D, drive D, and in a separate directory that is called as research paper on LaTeX. I will save that here, and this is my bib file which is necessary to go for the article. This will add references to my article. Then we'll go to the figures which are required, and I have saved that figure in this classwork folder. Scatter 6, scatter 2, these two figures will copy, and we'll post those figures into this our research paper directory, and I will call these figures as img1. img1 is already there, and I will call this as img2 also, and it is already there. We'll say that yes, image 1, image 2 are there, and these images we will add to our LaTeX document, and this is the preparation which is required that bibliography should be saved in a folder, images should be saved in a folder, and then start a new document. I will close the earlier document, close without saving, new document, and here I will paste a code which is ready with me, and that code I will make you available in description. That code is up to here. We'll explain that code bit by bit. Here this document class is article. Use package, these packages I have used up to graphics, and this blind text package is to get the automated text. Author name, this is duplicate one, I will remove this, but title is here, author is here, then begin document, make title. These are usual components, general components of our document. Begin document shall end with end document, and between the begin document and end document our article will be there. And here the special component is begin abstract. After the make title will give us the title, begin abstract will give us the abstract. Abstract is the uh, after title, abstract is very important for your research article. Then sections are there. First section is introduction, then next section is materials and methods. Third section is results. In results, I have made subsections. Result paragraph 1, then result paragraph 2 will be there, result paragraph 3 is there, subsection that result paragraph 4 is there. These are the subsections. Then section discussion is also there. Then after this section discussion, the bibliography file is there. This is the bibliography code for bibliography, and in the arguments for bibliography I have added that ref.bib file, the ref.bib file which we have created here. This is our ref.bib file. And bibliography style ABBRV, which is the very special style, and if you want to use other styles, you can use other styles for references also, but I'm comfortable with the ABBRV. I'm using that. I will save this file, save as. uh, Here that main, I will again save that as main only, main, and save. Yes. Okay. Now we are ready. We'll compile this file, and compilation is going on, and we have got this file. Because I have included other elements also, not only section headings. I have added the automated text using blind text. This blind text is there, and this blind text has given us this abstract format. You can look at title format. Title has given us this title, title of the paper, then author name, then my affiliation. Date is also given. If you don't want the date, then you can add this code slash date, and don't write anything in the arguments, and when we click it, date will not be there. Date is not there. Abstract is there in a specific format. Then section 1, introduction. In introduction, using blind text, 5 repetitions of blind text, I have got 5 paragraphs for that. Then section materials and methods is there. In materials and methods also I have used blind text for that. And look at this slash site. When I will show you again here, slash site, and these are the bib entries which are there into this ref.bib file. I will select a bib entry, this one, and will add to it. I will show you here. Those bib entries are there, and here these 3 bib entries are there. The 4th bib entry will be there after compilation. I will compile it, and look here, that 4th bib entry also has got added, and that is the 3rd one. And as you go on adding this slash site, and here the list will appear when you go for slash site and select the paper you want to include. This one I want to include. I will click that, and that shall get added here. It has got added here, and that will get added to your reference list also. This reference list will go on populated, and automatically it will arrange the references as per their alphabetical list. These are arranged alphabetically. Okay. Now I will show you how to go for the figures and this is a figure, begin figure, end figure, and then centering is the code required to get that figure into center, and include graphics is the command which fetch that figure, and we have saved the figure in the same folder in which our main text folder is there. This scale 0.55 adjust the size of the figure, and the image one is the name of that figure. Okay. And when you take your cursor here, that image will appear here. Then caption is very much required for your figures, is very important part of figure, and this is the self-explanatory description or has reference to description to text. This label is very much required for cross-referencing, and this is the tag for that label, fig1. Okay, we will refer this figure as fig1, and next figure is also there, image2, same code, caption is also there, and label figure2 is used. Okay. When we compile this, we will get the figures, and this is figure 1, it is adjusted, and this is figure 2 also there, properly positioned, but these figures are not where we want them, where therefore we will go for the cross referencing, and here that figure cross referencing is there. We will look for the code for figure cross referencing, and this is there. Please see figure ref/ref is the code, and as argument we have given the name of the figure. Then this will give us number of that figure, sequential number of that figure, and as we go on increasing the figures, that sequential number will also go on increasing, and that number will be added here also as the to the caption also, that number will be automatically added, and that number will go to this cross reference also. I will run this, and here cross reference is there. Please see figure 1. Okay. First citation is there, that 3 number citation is there, and after that we have the cross reference for this figure, and cross reference for the figure will appear in other section also. I have written there. Here please see table 1, tables cross reference is there. We will see the table also, and the figure in the discussion here, that figure 2 is referred. See, please see figure 2. This is cross reference for figure, and figure 2 is there here, and your reader will get directed to this figure. We'll see how to include the table. This is the table, not here. These two figures are there. This is the table. Begin table, end table is the code for the table. Between that, this centering command is to center the table, and that table has been centered here. Then begin tabular. After begin tabular, these three arguments in curly brackets refer to the 3 columns. We have specified that our table will have 3 columns. Then slash h line specifies this horizontal line, top horizontal line. Then after that top horizontal line, we have column headings, serial number, and is the column separator. After and, new column will start. Name is the second column. Remark is the third column. You can see here. Then this is the first entry. H line is there. The second horizontal line is there. After second horizontal line, these are the entries of our table row. This is the first cell. After and, next column Ganesh and good, second column. Last one is the line break. Line break is very essential for breaking each row. Then second row is there, third row is there similarly. Last is the H line, this one. And after that, end tabular is there. That our tabular format is over now. We have caption now, and after caption label is tab 1. This label is to cross refer to the table, and here we have cross referred to the table. Please see table here, that in results paragraph here. Please see table 1. This is cross referencing of the table, and this is the implementation of the code in Text Studio. You can have this template, use that template to format your own research paper. I will show you how to use this in Overleaf. I will copy this code, and I will take this code to Overleaf. I will type Overleaf here. Overleaf is an online service. Overleaf login. Login to Overleaf. I have already logged in. New project I will start. Blank project I will start. Name is the research article demo I will put. create, and this project is ready for us. Control A. I will remove all this material and will paste the copied material. Here I will upload the figures. Upload and select from my computer that these image files I will upload. Along with image files, I will upload this ref file also. And this all these files are there now. Ref.bb is also there. Everything is there, and we can compile the code. And this code shall get compiled properly, got compiled properly. In Overleaf also we can do that. If you want to use available templates from journal, then here you can go to top one, get new project, and from template, here the templates are there. We want academic journals, and here all those templates of journals are there. You can use any of the template which you want, or the template where you want to send your article. And this is for Overleaf. We will go to use that on Android also. I will show that using Android phone, how to use this code to get article on Android phone. I have sent the code by Gmail, and I will copy from that mail. This is the code file. I will select the code. I will select all, copy. Will take that to Webtech local mode, and here I will get a file of name research paper, res paper, next, and will add, and that file will be there in this file list. Now I will find out that one. Res paper is there, and here I will select all and paste is there. My code got pasted, and this extra thing I don't want. This is from mail, therefore I will remove that. Now I will go for the done, next, and this is the take file which we are going to compile. But before starting compilation, we will need our figure files and BEP file. I have sent those via mail, and this mail is there. These three files, I will download these three files, and those three files will be there into download folder. And this is file manager. We'll go to download folder, and these three image 1, image 2 and ref files are there. We'll select these three, and we'll move these three to Android folder, internal storage, and in that Android data I am using paid version, therefore my files are there into Android one. I will select again these and move to internal storage and Android. If you are working on pre-version, then your files will be there in Webtech folder in file manager. Then I'm working on prepaid version, therefore my files are there in Android folder. Then data, I will click in data. I will look for the verbosus folder, this verbosus folder, files, local, and in local this res paper, because we have saved that as res paper, and these three files I will paste there. These three files are there, and now we will go to our Webtech. We are there in Webtech now, and we will generate the file. Please wait, and it is downloading the PDF. We will see the PDF format, and this respaper.pdf format is there, the same format which we got into using Overleaf and Text Studio. That's all for how to get research paper using LaTeX. Thank you for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. Share this video with your friends. Subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed. Press the bell icon if you want notification of my new. Thank you.